kind of pushing shit right now, bro. You calm down, bro. These fucking titles. Get a hold of yourself, Gramps.
All right.
Fucking egotistical bitch.
Well,
all right, play it.
They are.
Your
I
mom
don't
know
know
you're
what I
playing
have to
right
say
now?
about this.
Yeah,
Bro, girl.
she does. Does your fucking mom know you're playing? Because you probably still live in her house.
No.
Does your mom know that you're playing with a sex offender right now?
Wait, is that the kid playing and he just stopped and got out of there because his mom told?
know you're playing?
Does your
Oh,
mom know
maybe.
you're playing
Oh, they're
right
playing
now?
online, so they might be in the same car.
Yeah, his mom's like, put the controller away.
No.
Does your mom know that you're playing with a sex offender right now?
Jimmy, turn the Xbox off.
Does your mom know you're
Yeah,
Does your mom
yeah,
know
that's
you're
probably
playing
what
right
happened.
now?
Immediately just disconnects from the server.
That's
why it wrecked.
Does your mom know that you're playing with a sex offender right now?
With a sex offender right now.
Disconnected.
Hey, boss, got another special order.
Oh, really? Thank you. No.
I'm sorry, boss, but that one's got to happen. It's the last one in the queue. We can absolutely stop taking orders for them after this, though.
I said the last one was the last one. Why should I do this last one?
Look, boss, I know you don't want to, but
I don't
let me
get what's
you a few
happening.
reasons on why we
Me
should,
either.
okay?
Wait, does he make knives?
Do you want to forge a butt plug? All I need from you is cash.
Wait, they're asking him to fucking forge a butt plug
Yeah.
because he does that. Hey, dude, get your money how you get it, bro.
I gotta
Got
point out
another
one
special
thing.
order.
Look how big his nostrils are.
Oh my god, dude, I'd never. Dude, it looks like someone like distorted it in like Photoshop, where you like grab it in freeform and you just distort it.
We can absolutely stop taking orders.
Hey, I can't knock it though. I bet that dude can fucking breathe.
I bet that
Like,
dude could snort some fucking cocaine, bro.
I got a GV at something, so I'm kind of jealous.
Yeah, that dude can breathe some fucking oxygen in, bro. Please, two teachers accused of having threesome with teenagers. Look at the, look at the kid
Yeah,
smile.
look at him. He's fucking happy. Must be nice. Where were the fucking teachers at when I was in high school? Oh, look at him.
Wait, this is in Kenner? No shit. Two Louisiana high school teachers are accused of having
Coochie man.
Did it say coochie man? or-
coochie man.
You're live with Father Wubby.
Forgive me, Father, for I have sinned.
Is your sin a shitty mic?
It is indeed a shitty mic, honestly.
Go ahead, son. I'm sorry.
So this one time at a TGI Fridays, I was in the bathroom. I was about 12 years old at the
He's
time,
about to
and
lose it.
there was a man taking a fat shit in there, I gotta say. And on my way out, I accidentally hit the lights, and I didn't go back for him. I didn't go back for him, Wubby.
Yeah, man, that's truly deplorable. Why would you?
I'm so sorry. Father, what do I do?
What do you say to that as a
You're live.
priest?
Exactly what he said. That's
Forgive me, Father,
quite
for I have
deplorable.
Is your sin a shitty mic?
10 Hail Marys. Be
It is
gone.
indeed a shitty mic, honestly.
Go ahead,
Deplorable.
son. I'm sorry.
I think that's drive it.
Yes,
I'm not even sure.
Oh, there you are,
I knew it. I fucking know. What'd I tell you? What'd I tell you? What's up, dude?
Nothing much, man. Sorry I gotta do this, but here's your 2 checks, man.
Really?
Yeah, man.
Why?
It ain't working out. We tried everything we could, but we gotta let you go,
All right.
man.
All right, whatever.
All right? No hard feelings, right?
Yeah. Just to let you know, I know the real reason.
What's the real reason?
Because every Friday I go to show and tell and get a lap dance by your fucking daughter. That's why.
I don't need to hear that fucking shit from you, man. Really?
That's why I'm getting laid off. It has nothing to do with my fucking work.
You know what? Grab your shit and get the fuck off my job.
Dude,
I am. And guess
Oh,
where
shit.
I'm going? Guess where I'm going? Show and fucking tell. Yeah, oh, I will. I'll enjoy that fat ass she got.
Where we're going right now?
After work, meet me there. I gotta.
All right. He's telling the dude to meet him there. Meet me there.
I'm not even sure.
He's like, he got all serious. He's like, yeah, actually,
What'd I tell
meet me
you?
there.
What'd I
Meet me
tell
there, 9 p.m.
What's up, dude?
So this
Not
guy,
much, man.
this guy's
Sorry I
getting
gotta do
fired,
this, but,
and then he calls the dude that's firing him
Why?
out.
it ain't working out. We tried everything we could, but
Just
we gotta
run
let
him.
you get
All
it,
right.
man.
All right, whatever.
All right? No hard feelings, right?
Yeah. Just to let you know, I know the real reason.
What's the real reason?
Because every Friday I go to show and tell and get a lap dance by your fucking daughter. That's why.
You know, I don't need to hear that fucking shit from you, man. Really?
That's why I'm getting laid off. It has nothing to do with my fucking work.
You know what? Grab your shit and get the fuck off my job.
I am, and guess where I'm going? Guess where I'm going? Show and fucking tell.
Boom!
Yeah, I will. I'll enjoy that fat ass she got.
Where we're going right now?
After work, meet me there. I gotta.
All right.
Show and fucking tell.
I think so.
I'm not even
Boom!
sure.
Boom!
Someone put their persona pointing a gun at me and said, "Show us what's inside the fridge, Wayne." You want the truth? You want the truth? You want the fucking
I
truth?
hope it's gross. I hope it's gross.
What the fuck? Look at the chat. Everybody's like,
It was never real. Someone
Dude,
put their
how
persona
Oh my God, my
pointing a gun
throat.
at me
Almost
and said,
passed
"Show us
out."
what's inside the fridge, Wayne."
dude,
You want the
seriously,
truth?
if he kept that up for a really
You want
long
the truth?
time, that's an amazing
You
reveal.
want the fucking truth?
That's some G
There is
shit.
no fridge.
What the fuck?
There is no bridge!
What the fuck?
It was never real.
It was
Someone
never real.
put their persona
I
pointing a
wonder
gun
how
at
long
me
he kept it
and
going.
said, "Show
That's
us
what I'm
what's
saying.
inside
If
the
he
fridge,
kept that up for a
Wayne."
long time and
You want
just
the truth?
revealed it,
You
I'd
want
say
the
a
truth?
year would be prime
You want
time.
the fucking truth?
Just eat.
There is no
Dude,
fridge.
his whole life.
It was never real. Someone put.
I just saw this on Beyond Scared Street.
Oh.
He straight up. Wait.
No, watch the back glass. The left side. Watch what I got.
Wait. I want to see if that kid actually sees it. Did he see it happen?
If he
Or was he
did-
looking forward?
No, he was looking forward.
What, dude? That guy got knocked the.
I wonder if he was like, hey, we're gonna really fucking get him. Knock me out. Okay.
I used to be a method actor. I got this. Just, I'm not even gonna fake it. Just actually punch me in the face as hard as you can.
He was a second too late.
How do blind people know when they wake up?
I don't know that I'm awake until the first thought pops into my head every day, and that thought is always, fuck.
How do blind people
That's
know
our
when
old
they
buddy,
wake up?
bro.
I don't know that I'm awake until the first thought pops into my head every day, and that thought is always, fuck.
How do blind
pause it
people
real
know
quick.
when they
He's got a
wake
great
up?
sense of humor.
Yeah, no. The caption is "How do blind people wake up?" And then he's asking his blind friend that. We've had him on. We've not had him on the show, but his
That
TikToks
was-
on the show like a while ago, huh?
Yeah, it was like 4 episodes ago.
Yeah. I want to hear
4 or
what he-
5.
I want to see what he has to say again. Yeah.
I don't know that I'm awake until the first thought pops into my head every day, and that thought is always, fuck.
How do blind people know when they wake up?
You're getting scary. I don't know why
Who complains about dead silence? A lot of people.
No, shut up. You have no rights. Make sandwiches. Make sandwiches.
Who's saying that? That's right. If you don't apologize to her,
Oh, I know who this is. I know who that dude is.
make you win.
Is he
Okay,
simple?
I'll apologize if you win.
Okay.
We're so sorry. Like, we're sorry. I don't mean to be rude.
There you go.
Oh my god.
Sandwich maker!
God,
You're getting
That dude
God.
who's playing right now, he's a
complains about dead
YouTuber,
silence. A lot of
and
people.
he's
You have no
one of
rights.
the
Make
best
sandwiches. Make
search and destroy
sandwiches.
players.
Dude,
On
I don't
Xanax.
know how people can play Search and
Right.
Destroy, bro.
Dude, he's
I
fucking.
fucking.
don't
His
I
DPI
can't.
has to be over 9,000.
I won't.
Has to be.
Okay, I'll apologize.
Every time anybody says that, I have to say that, bro.
Okay.
We're
Dude,
so
once you
sorry.
I
see
wouldn't
that
even-
scene,
We're
bro.
I
Wait,
know.
Oh,
wait,
yeah.
did you not even mean to say over 9,000?
I didn't. At
That's
first.
crazy, bro.
I didn't.
Dude,
I
the
didn't
anime.
put 2 and 2 until after you said it.
The anime
It
is
took a
seeping
second.
into your brain slowly but surely, bro.
Oh, I know what over. I know it's a meme. I've never seen it though.
Dude,
I know it's a meme,
once
though.
you see it, like once you watch all the way up until that point and it happens, dude, it's gonna blow your fucking mind. You're gonna be like, thank God, I know the origin of this meme.
Is it Dragon Ball? Okay.
Dragon Ball Z, the Saiyan saga.
Okay. We're so sorry.
One of the best sagas.
We're sorry.
I just know
I
Dragon
don't mean
Ball
to
Z.
be rude.
Sorry.
Dragon Ball Z. They have Dragon Ball GT, but that's not. It's not made by the same creator. And then they have Dragon Ball Super, which is made by the same creator.
Make sandwiches.
Dragon Ball Z, and
pretend.
Who's saying that?
Dragon Ball and Dragon Ball Z are really good all the way through.
You don't apologize to her.
Super is good,
I
like
won't
just for like
make you win.
action purposes, I guess, just to like watch shit. It's not really like as story driven and as like fucking mind blowing as like Dragon Ball or Dragon Ball Z.
I'm gonna put one on while I'm playing Skater XL, trying to get some clips.
You to play what?
While I'm playing Skater XL, trying to get some clips, or while I'm editing something.
No, you got to be paying attention. We have to sit in a room.
But Dragon Ball
all
Z is in
dark.
English.
True, but you still got to pay attention.
Well, yeah.
That's actually one of the
We
animes.
still need to figure it out.
Yeah, that's one of the animes that I will allow you to watch in English because it's actually good.
Deal.
One Piece, no. I swear to God, bro. If
Yeah,
I find
I
out,
have to get that one organically.
what the fuck? Liv.
You had ghosts in your house, dude. There were Indians and Native Americans in Louisiana.
Oh yeah, my
We've
grandma's,
got the Native American mounds.
My grandma's great grandpa was supposedly a Cherokee Indian chief or like some type of chief.
So you're an Indian.
Somewhat. Very, very low percentage.
Keep the hair. Yeah, keep it.
Oh, I am.
Keep the hair.
Dude, my mom fucking tells me all the time. Dude, because like I go to the same salon as she does to get my hair cut because we know it's just like a family thing. We've been going to the same person for so long. And then I'm always like, just shape it up and just like cut like maybe an inch off just to shape it up and not have like fucking crazy layers like coming down.
Yeah.
And then my mom's like, just an inch, just an inch, just an inch.
It'll make it grow quicker apparently.
like,
I don't know how.
What, if I cut it?
Yeah, if you trim it up.
Yeah, I trim it up, but like she wants me to like cut all this off.
Oh,
like
no.
she wants it probably up to here.
Don't go any shorter than what. Like,
I'm not
go up
going
to,
any shorter than this.
Yeah. If anything, I'm going down to my shoulders again. That's what I'm going down. Like
I like it
bottom
a
of
little
my
bit
neck.
past my shoulders.
I'm going down to like the bottom of my neck.
Yeah, because I feel like if I've cut it to where I had it on my shoulders, and I felt like I looked like someone from Bob's Burgers.
There you go.
Yeah.
I want
Linda. Is that her name?
Linda?
With like the bowl cut.
Yeah.
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 Fucking Linda haircut.
I'm going for. I think I'm gonna join the Church of Dudism, so I gotta grow my hair out.
Really?
Not seriously, but.
Dude, I was like, dude, fucking go for it.
No, I'm not about to join it.
I'm
No,
like,
I'm not
geez,
joining
that's
the
a
church.
fucking random, like, serious commitment that you just threw on.
No, I've
Yeah,
got
I'm gonna
too
join-
much commitments going on.
Yeah, I'm about to join the Church of Judaism.
That's a curveball. Let's curve it back.
And
into-
Scientology. Both of them.
If you join that,
At the same... Dude, my brother and his friend went inside the building just to see if they could talk to anybody, and nobody would talk to them.
yeah, no one.
Because they know...
You gotta join.
Well, no, they know who's going in there who, like, actually needs help, and they know who's coming in there just to not need help, you know what I mean? And just, like, make fun of it.
Yeah.
They know how to
crazy
prey
people.
on the fucking weak.
Crazy people.
Crazy. Insane.
Crazy people.
Okay, well, that's a whole nother podcast.
Crazy
E-meters and shit. Dude.
E-meter.
You know the e-meter that they use for like their therapeutic process. It's basically, it's a thing that doesn't fucking work. It's supposed to like measure your stress levels, and then it's some fucking fake shit. And basically, how they get you to like get through some like bad past events is to keep going through it and keep repeating it over and over and over and over until you're desensitized to it and you can't feel it anymore.
Cult.
I know.
Cult.
That's literally.
That's what cults do.
I know.
That's what cults do.
That's.
Nope. I was kind of in on the, measuring the stress and shit.
Well, it's
But
it's
cult,
all.
I'm not
fake.
trying to relive shit.
It's all shit though.
I ain't trying to relive shit.
Yeah, like that's what. Because I watched a whole bunch of documentaries about people who.
That's
like,
what shrooms is for, in ayahuasca.
Yeah.
That's what that's for. That'll fix you. Not a cult.
Yeah, well, DMT action. Oh shit. Let's go on to you know him, huh? He's fucking E-Rob from Twitch.
No.
He's the guy with the wonky eye.
I look good like this, man.
I got a wonky eye too, so it's fine. Not as bad as his though.
What bitch feels bad, man?
Nothing's gonna look good when it has that silly Goomba head peeking out of it.
Outback manager?
They told him to put that.
Hi, is this the Applebee's? Yeah, I'd like to get a table for a family of 4. Do you still have the 2 for $20 deal?
I can't read her. Are they
Please
calling him
end
fat?
stream.
I'm not sure.
The 2 for $20
Yeah,
deal.
look, yeah. Fuck y'all, dude. Fuck y'all. I hate you guys.
Can you wipe the camera off? It looks like some shit got on there.
Yeah.
Nope, never mind. That's just you, my bee.
I could do better.
Honest, you guys
That's
like-
actually a good
I look good
segue
like
into
this,
our little
man.
discussion I wanted to
Wanna
do.
introduce you to
We're
Rambo.
done with this?
Yeah, let's save Rambo for a different time. Actually, let's watch this one last one because I'm intrigued that it only has 6,000 likes.
Look at that tattoo.
Yeah, that's a crazy tattoo. That's actually the first thing I noticed.
Look at that tattoo.
That's 17 backwards.
Well, I think it's backwards. The camera's backwards. I have to do my rapid fire so Matt can see. You're welcome, bud.
Oh God.
Got in my freshman year of college. Teed up really well. Rambo. Hey. I want to introduce you to Rambo. Got in my
What the fuck?
Got in my freshman
Dude, I'm
year
gonna
of
see
college.
that in my nightmares,
Teed
bro.
up really well.
Look at that nose, yo.
Rambo. Hey.
Dude, stop.
I want to introduce you to Rambo.
Nah, bro.
Got in my-
Nah, bro.
As soon as I would have seen that thing, if I was him, I would have fucking killed it and put it on my goddamn skillet. Are you fucking kidding me?
Good old
that
bacon.
thing.
Good
is,
old big
that
old
thing
bacon.
is gonna kill you.
Dude, that thing
That
and
thing
Liv.
is gonna kill you.
Liv, you gotta get in your bed. Let me.